So is this the end of Rob's Aquaponics? Well, I suppose we're about to find out. I've had a number of people ask me, "G'day fish." I think the fish are hungry, we might give them a bit of feed in a minute. I've had a number of folks ask me why I'm not posting aquaponic content at the moment, and other folks who are asking me why they're seeing farm content on the channel. And to tell you, quite honestly, I will be getting rid of these folks here. These fellas here are going to go live in someone else's system, and I am probably going to sell off bits of this system, if not all of this system, to some lucky person down here in the Ipswich-Brisbane region. So do keep an eye out for the video when I do announce that I'm selling this. If you are after a bargain, I won't be coming with all the grow beds. I will be keeping the black one and the stand that it comes in. But yeah, you'll definitely get some good bang for your buck, I can promise you that. Now, I have had a couple of people complain that I'm posting a lot of farm content to this channel. I'm sorry folks, but there's a couple of reasons why I'm doing that. One is YouTube is just smashing creators like myself who do a lot of long form content. Basically, I like to show people what I'm doing so they can get a few tips and tricks for themselves, or maybe the educational videos where I do the how-tos. And YouTube tends to be going more towards the shorter content because people's attention spans are shrinking. So I'm just not being promoted. All my back catalogue has basically stopped being promoted. All the ones that were helping people out, like growing ginger, the chicken feeders, some of the aquaponics builds even, just overnight the views were turned down because the algorithm changed. Such is, not complaining. Luckily I've got a lot of irons in the fire, so I am getting revenue from elsewhere. I do consultations. I have the supporters website, which will be for the farm as well, so you can check those out, as well as the store. Check out links to them down below if you're interested in supporting us that way. But yeah, I'm basically decided, because I'm not doing aquaponics content at the moment, I'm posting content from the farm channel over here. Two reasons: it's generating income for us because this channel is monetized and the other one isn't yet, and not only that, is letting people who don't tune in every week know that I am posting on a second channel, because a lot of those people aren't here for the aquaponics, they just like my ugly hairy mug, or they're here for the ginger growing videos or the chicken feeder videos and that sort of thing. So that sort of content will be pretty much all over on the other channel. So do pop over, have a gander, subscribe. There'll be a link up there and one down in the description. Now, I do have to apologize to you folks who are subscribed to both channels and are on a limited broadband or internet and are having to download the videos before you can watch them uninterrupted. If you are after the farm content, just watch it over on the other channel, mainly because any farm content videos that you see here will also be posted over there. So Aussie Prepper was one, off-grid Aussie Prepper, sorry mate. Yeah, just don't worry about watching the farm content on this channel. The thumbnails may be slightly different, but I might put a little note on them just so people know it's a double up from the other channel. But yeah, if you could watch the videos over on the other channel, I'd greatly appreciate it, because we will be monetizing it down the line as well. Yeah, but luckily I don't have to rely on YouTube as my main source of income, but yeah, a big chunk of it has disappeared because of the algorithm change. So now, as to whether I'm giving up aquaponics. No, I'm not. There will still be aquaponic content posted to this channel. I'm just flat out at the moment, just getting the farm ready. There'll be a video coming out tonight where you'll see that. I'm still going to be doing aquaponics. I just need to get the house ready and then sort out a few layout, design issues with where the gardens are situated, that sort of thing. Sort out the dam water. Yeah, there's a bit of a leak in the dam water system, and that is all the piping up to the house tanks, and that is where I'll be drawing the water for the aquaponics and possibly even getting the bore fixed up. So I need to sort that out before I'll be building any more aquaponic systems or anything along those lines. So for the time being, yeah, I'll be doing the consultation still. I do backyard aquaponic consultations. A link will pop up here, and there's one down in the description if you need a hand with your aquaponics. Still got the supporter sites, still posting to the Facebook group and the community group here. The Backyard Aquaponics online guide, that is still available. There is a few discounts left if you want to use moving in the checkout. You'll get $5 bob off that US. So do check that out if you're new to aquaponics and you want a guide, or even for you folks who need an excuse to support us by getting something in exchange, you can purchase the guide, support us that way. Plus, you'll be able to chat to me a couple of times for free through the guide, and I'll be able to help you out with any issues you may have down the track, because I am still checking that pretty much all daily, a couple of times a day, even on the farm with the limited internet there. Check them out if you want to continue to support the channel, even if you just, you know, give things a thumbs up and a like, or maybe say g'day you hairy git. Helps the algorithm know that I'm still sort of of relevant. And when the videos get pumping on later on down the line, you should get notifications if you stay up to date along the way. And don't forget, I do have that other update video on the farm renovation, the farmhouse renovation, and fixing up the water tanks, and a little visitor, downstairs neighbour we've got. So that will be posted to the farm channel, and a version of that will be posted here again in a couple of days' time. So don't click on it here if you don't want to watch it twice. Anyway, I'll stop rabbiting on, grab some feed and feed these fellas, and I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. Cheers, folks. Take it easy.